Hello Udo users and welcome to our channel. Today we will show you the demo on TNT Italy shipping integration. In this video we will walk you through company shipping level configuration. This module is applicable in test and production environment. In this video we will cover generation of multiple packages, shipping labels and tracking of the shipments directly from the Udo dashboard. So let's get started. As this application is downloaded from the Udo App Store, first of all we will configure the company settings. For that we will go to settings, go to user and companies and go to companies. Here we have configured the demo database. So here we'll mention all the general information of our company and go to TNT Italy configuration. As you check this box, we will mention all this information provided to you by TNT shipping provider. Currently, as this is the demo database, I am not mentioning any information over here. Now, as this company configuration gets completed, we will go to configure our shipping settings. For that, we will go to sales module, open configuration and go to shipping methods. In shipping methods, we have configured TNT Italy shipping service. Here we will configure the provider from the drop down and see the configuration. First is the company configuration. If there are more than one company in your to-do database, you can select any one of them to which TNT Italy shipping service is applicable. Next is package type. If there are more than one types of packages, you can configure them all in the drop down and select any one of them. Next is the parcel type. So there are different types of parcels like pallets, box and packages. You can configure them and select them. As you go to the internal link, you can mention the sizes of the parcels and select the courier and courier code if applicable. Next is the terms of payment. So here you can select sender or the receiver, whoever will make the payment at the time of delivery. Next is the item types. So you can configure them all over here. Items can be configured in different ways, which are documents, a fashion package, or any such things, and we can select any one of them as per the requirement. Next is the product codes. So if there are more than one types of product codes, you can configure them and can select any one of them. Here there are different types of services which are used as a product code for TNT Italy, and we have configured them all. You can select any one of them as per the requirement. So this is the basic shipping configuration, and now we will go and create a sales order so we can see how practically this is applicable. So first we will add some customer name, we will add the product and add some quantities. After adding some quantities, we will add the shipping from here. Select the shipping method as TNT Italy shipping service and add it. After adding the same, we will confirm the sales order. As we go to this delivery order, we will divide this quantity into multiple packages. So here first package will have some 5 quantities. We will save it, go to put in pack and select the default package and the remaining 5 quantities in the other pack, and the same information is to be selected over here. Here number of packages will be 2. And now as we go to additional information, we have courier information. If you have more than one types of couriers configured in this store, you can select any one of them. Currently TNT is what I have selected, and as we have selected it already in our sales order, it will be reflected over here. Next is tracking reference. So as soon as we validate it, you can see the tracking reference over here and labels will be generated. Here is the packages smart button. So if you have created 2 different packages, you can see it over here. Now we will validate the delivery order. On validating the same, you can see the label is generated over here. 2 labels are generated. And now the tracking reference is here and tracking smart button is seen. If you click on the tracking smart button, you will be redirected to the tracking page directly and you can track the parcels from here. So this is the basic shipping configuration. Let us know if you face any issues while you configure it for your Odoo store. Our team will be there to help you out. You can also write back to us at support@brajartechnologies.com. Don't forget to share and subscribe this video. Thank you.